So in today's lesson, we will identify as to how we can get an exclusive marketing rights of a particular property. Okay, that's what we will discuss about it. Okay. In the first place, let's try and understand whether exclusive marketing activity is desirable or not. Okay. If you ask me, it is desirable because your revenue is guaranteed. If you get exclusive marketing of any property, you should take it, provided that property is saleable. So you need to find out whether the property is really saleable or not. How do you find out whether it is saleable? You must imagine yourself, put yourself in the shoes of the buyer, and then look at the property that you have seen for selling the property. And see, ask yourself that question. If I had the money, will I buy this property? If your answer is yes, 100 out of 100 or 10 out of 10, if you get the remarks for that, okay, then that is the property you should be prepared to take for exclusive marketing. So by how do we convince the customer to give you for exclusive marketing? Convincing is very easy. You tell him that you give him a timeline that I will take probably 3 months time to sell this property. And if it is rental property, you can tell him that give me about 15 days time and I'll be able to find a tenant for you. So if both these things you're sure of giving him that kind of a commitment, obviously he is going to take it for, he says, fine. There is somebody who has come forward and said that I will do it. And I don't mind giving him that 15 days time or 1 month time or 3 months time. Okay, customer can think like that. So this is one way of doing it. Okay, you have convinced him now. What is the next step? You need to market that property. So unless you are committed to market that property, do not take any property for exclusive rights. Because if you take it and if you don't market at all, then how will you be able to find a customer for that? Promotion is most important. So you must be prepared to promote the property in social media. You should promote it in online portals, and you should promote it in various WhatsApp groups that you are already a member of. And you should also see if you can, promote through local advertisements also. Okay, these are very important factors. So for this, there is an expenditure involved. You need to be committed to that. Are you ready for committing that kind of an expenditure? So in case where you are dependent on some probably your owner, business owner who is there already, so you can go and discuss with the business owner and tell him that I would like to market this property and take exclusive rights, and will you be able to support? Probably the business owner might also agree to share the expenditure of that property promotion expenses. Okay. Another way of looking at it is also try and see whether the seller himself will fund you for marketing budget. Okay, you say that we are going to do X amount of money spending on the property in promoting the property. So can you also share a budget of it? So probably he might also agree. Some people will agree, many people will not agree. Okay. He said, why do you want? Because why should I spend? If I spend, then I can do it myself. See, selling if any owner or seller says that I can do it myself, why do I need a broker for this? Okay, then there is something called a seller guide or an owner guide, which we have. Okay, after this video, put your comments below and ask for that seller guide that I have, seller and the owner. When they go through that guide, they will after that they will listen and they'll fold hands and say that Mr. So and so, Remax agent or any agent for that matter, please come forward and then you sell this property for me. Because it is very clearly laid out as to what all things that you should take care when you want to sell the property on your own. On going through that, he will understand that it is a very, very difficult job. It's not easy. He has to promote, he has to attend to calls, he has to keep the house neat and clean, he has to take the insults from the visitors who will say, oh, ye property theek nahi hai, that is not good, this is not good, that wall is not correct, this road is not correct. All this kind of talks when he listens, the owner, the seller will actually feel bad about it. Okay, all these kind of insults he has to go through. All these are very clearly laid out in the seller guide. And after going through that, my God, if I have to go through all these things, it is better that I give it to an agent to sell this property. Let him face the brunt. So this is what we act as a shield. As an agent, we act as a shield between the buyer and the seller. So you are a wall between them. All the insults, everything, you are taking it, and you are not passing it on to the seller or the owner. So he must be greatly indebted to you, because you are saving him, protecting him from all that kind of negative comments that are likely to come for any property. No one will say that, wow, this is good property. Okay, even if it is very good property, because the moment he says, wow, good property, he fears where the price will go up. So therefore, no one will say that this property is too good. Okay, be prepared for that. But heart of heart, he may think that it's a very good property, but he will not express it. Okay, so but you need to be very clever in then trying to find out from their body language, from their sign languages. When family is coming, you will know about it definitely. So these are the attempts that you need to make. Okay, so exclusive rights is very good. Okay, provided you are very confident of selling the property and you feel that if I had the money, I can buy this property myself. If that kind of feeling comes to you, only you should take it for exclusive marketing rights. And after taking it, don't just keep quiet. Okay, so for exclusive marketing right, is there an agreement available? Is a proper agreement available? I have the draft with me. In this comment, you can ask for the exclusive agreement draft copy also. And whoever is asking for it, I will definitely send it across. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.